Hello everyone, I'm Tarina Nicole and this is Camden, and we are going to give a few cute little DIYs for Halloween, which is tomorrow. I feel like there are a ton of us who don't really get into the whole wearing a full-blown costume. Although we want to have a little Halloween spirit, put a little Halloween in our attire for the day, but not a full-blown witch costume. And so we're going to, right here, like, that's a bit much. If you're an accountant, you're probably not going to want to show up to work with a full-blown, like, Wolverine costume on. So if you want to just bring a little Halloween into your attire without going all out, these are some projects that you can do easily, quickly, and for cheap. So stay tuned.
At the Dollar Tree, I found spooky hair clips and bat rings. It's super cute and easy to stick googly eyes onto a pair of pumps. Just make sure they're self-adhesive. Last but certainly not least, an easy way to add a little Halloween flair to your look tomorrow is to simply paint your nails black. I am the worst when it comes to nail art, but even I was able to get a little white ghost on my thumb. I'm sure you can do the same too.